So my mama decided to make the most delicious meal pan the planet. Make a tell you now, I'm gonna go on like real picnic on Christmas Day. If you Belizean, you know exactly what it is. And make a tell you now, if you could make this, I will marry you pan the spot ASAP pronto, no questions asked.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, before me eat that, I have to tell you something. Sorry. Sorry for me said to them I shouldn't have said that. You were right. Yes, I'm sorry. You were right. I was wrong.
You mean that?
Yes, I do. Yeah, I mean it. I'm sorry.
Continue.
Continue?
Yeah, what else is sorry about?
I'm sorry for something I said today. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm sorry for say it, man. Just behave yourself. So this is me I got tear right now.
Hold on there. That's nice.
Oh, why? What? Huh?
What's going on?
Onion for me? Cut up look. Yo, me don't want to live with no more man because this them man here. Brother, I prefer stay by myself, brother. Make the man just cut up cook up local mackerel. Yeah, cook up local mackerel. Right. Cook up the local mackerel. Yes, sir. I think that. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Where you come from? So what's happening? Simple ABC. Where you come from?
Why?
Let me tell you something, you Jamaican people
And?
feel a lot of yourself.
And?
Why everything on my TikTok talk about
And?
Jamaican stuppies,
And?
Jamaican
And
banana,
what? And what?
Jamaican porridge.
And what?
Vincent Chan can't make porridge
And
too.
what? We're all that in a bag of chips.
What?
7 bags of chips.
So you think if Jamaican alone could cook?
Of course.
No, why everything has to be Jamaican
Because we do
stuppies,
because
Jamaican
we don't eat
banana,
coffee slush. We
Jamaican
eat food with color and we
thing.
eat food with
Other
flavor.
people can cook as well. Other people can cook.
Me not sure about that.
Not only you guys can cook. Jamaican coconut milk. Me have coconut too. Me have coconut in St. Vincent.
Them the fresh.
Susie, you have coconut in Honduras.
Them the fresh.
Exactly. But everything on TikTok, Jamaican pigtail.
It's
lunchtime,
Jamaican
people.
Jamaican oxtail.
Yeah.
Everybody else can cook.